Here we have our Airsoft Tank. Not quite finished as you can see, but today we are testing the cannon. It is a breech loading design. Open the breech like so. We have our igniter right here, which is a taser. Take our ammo, which in this case is a lemon, for test purposes, and you put it inside. Close the breech, latch it in place. We have the gun mounted on a turret chassis so that you can spin 360 degrees to any target, just like a real tank. Have our propane trigger switch, so I'll give it a little bit of propane. A little bit of shake, mix it up, and fire. It works pretty well.